गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। बद्धे वितनुते भक्तिं मूर्खमावर्तय श्रुतिं यत्कृपात्वमहं वन्दे श्रीमदनगोपालकं प्रभुं। जय निताय। हरि बोल। How are you, my dear devotees? Hope all of you are fine. By the blessings of Sri Radhe, in our life, our ultimate place there, to the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani. We have to live there in Vrindavan, physically or mentally. Anyhow, because we have to serve Srimati Radharani. She is there, so her servant, maidservant must be there. So if we are not physically there, our mind must be there. We have to lost our heart there in Braj, Sri Radha Kunda. Because only from there, from that holy pond, Sri Radha Kunda, we can get direct mercy, blessings from Srimati Radharani. That's the same water which was touched by Srimati Radharani, our Swami. And in front of Krishna, her pond, the pond of Srimati Radharani, also a non-different form of Srimati Radharani. So our mind and heart, we have to send there to the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani. My dear friends, we're born with a very rare form, this body. Nredhamadyam shulabham shudurlabham plavang shukalpam gurukarnadharam mayanukulena navashataritam puman bhavabdhe na tarit shatmaha. After long traveling, now we have that rare form as a human being. And Bhagavan said, we must appoint a very expert sailor for this boat, which is now traveling, just roaming here and there, without any fixed direction in the samsara ocean. when in that boat there will be one very expert sailor, so he can take that boat very carefully to its direction, proper direction, and that is the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani. So, my dear friends, we should not waste. We have no right to waste this very rare and precious life. We have no rights to do that. Yes, always we are doing this. Always. After getting good advices, then also by ourselves, we are misleading our mind, our imagination, our thinking. We should not do that. So, my dear friends, that's why always we have to engage with this. That how our mind, our intelligence, our thinking, our imagination always will connected with this. Madhudhara bhajana, practice like the line of honey, where there is no gap. But actually we are not doing this. We are following another way, another process, that is Dugdhadhara, where there is so many gaps. But we have to do our bhajan practice without any gap. So that's why it's also a part. It's also part of our practice. Listening Harikatha, reading, listening, meditating, direct service, indirect service. Anyhow, we have to engage with that. Then our mind will never attract or distract from this point. So, my dear friends, now we'll continue our katha, Rai Ramananda Sambad. Ramananda Rai is describing katha of Srimati Radharani, which is sweeter than anything, sweeter than all sweets.